Of all the features on the brand new GoPro Hero 11 Black, one of the coolest features and the most convenient is surely schedule capture. With schedule capture, you can set your GoPro to start recording any time of the day or night. Setting up schedule capture on your GoPro is super quick and super easy, and in this video, I'm going to show you how. Schedule capture is a truly awesome feature on the GoPro, and it can be used in all three of the modes, which makes it super exciting. From the home screen, you want to tap on the oblong of the option that you've chosen. So we're going to choose the one here in the video mode. I'm in cinematic right now, so I'm going to tap on the pencil like so. And if we look over here on the left-hand side, it says schedule capture. Now I'm going to tap on that. Now it brings us up to the schedule capture screen. It's currently in the off selection, but if we just swipe it up like that, boom, we turn it on, and then what happens right now, it actually displays the current time, which right now here in Adelaide is 8:26 p.m. At night. What you want to do over here is you use this selector and you work out what time that you want your GoPro to turn on. So in this case, we're in the video mode and we want it to turn on and do some filming. So right now it's 8:27, so I'm going to set this right now for 8:28. And it's in the PM. Okay, so that's all good to go right now. So what that means right now is at 8:28 p.m. this will start recording. Now the next thing we want to look at is the duration. With the duration, you have some options. You can have everything from no limit all the way up to 3 hours, but we're going to just put it on 30 seconds right now. So as you can see, our settings are schedule capture 8:28, which is in about 30 seconds, and the duration is going to be 30 seconds. So if we just scoot out of this mode here for a moment, it says we're all set, which is great. So now you can see up here at the top, it's marked in blue. Oops, now it's counting down, 3, 2, 1, and that's now 8:28 and it's just started to record. And boom, there's our 30 seconds and our bit of footage has been recorded just like that. How simple and how easy is that? Let's go across right now to time-lapse mode, okay? So for time-lapse mode, once again, like the video mode, we can just tap on the oblong and we can choose our time-lapse selection and then tap on the pencil, and over here you can see we do have schedule capture. We can put on our time frame as well, just like before, and we can also choose a duration. So with the photo mode, once again, you can tap on the oblong. Now, you have 3 selections here, of course, photo, burst, and night photo. And if you tap on the pencil in any one of those ones here, it's going to bring up the photo menu, and you can go into schedule capture and you can choose your time as well. So I'm using an iPad today, but you can also do this with your smartphone as well. So you want to jump into the GoPro Quik App after you've paired your camera. And then what you want to do is you want to click on this tab here where it says Enable Preview. So you tap on that one there. So we're going to go into our preview settings. Now down the bottom here, just like on the back of your GoPro, we have an oblong that we're going to tap. So I'm going to tap this one here called Epic. Now, these are all my video mode options. But tap the pencil next to my selection. It's going to bring up all the mode settings like you would see on the back of the GoPro. I'm just going to scoot down here to where it says schedule capture. I'm going to turn schedule capture on, and then down the bottom here I'm going to move to a time where I want the camera to turn on. So I'm going to choose 9:39 p.m. I'm going to tap on done. Now just like on the back of the GoPro, I'm going to go back now. Just like on the back of the GoPro, we also have to choose the duration. So if I tap on this one here, I'm going to make it, let's make it 15 seconds. So right now it's counting down, or counting up to those 15 seconds, and then it's going to stop. There you go, all done. As you can see, schedule capture comes in super handy, especially if you don't feel like getting up early to capture a sunrise, or maybe like late in the day with the sunset, or maybe you might want to do a night lapse. With schedule capture, all those little inconveniences are gone with this super handy feature. Schedule capture was originally featured on GoPro Labs, which is GoPro's testing ground for new features which often appear on new cameras. To learn more about GoPro Labs, you want to click on this video over here right now. As usual, thanks for your company, and I'll see you in the next video.